Have you been posting videos but nothing seems to work? Like no views, no engagement, no subscribers, and you are wondering, what am I really doing wrong? I've been there before, and that is why today I'll be breaking down exactly why your channel isn't growing and how to go about it. Hello, you're welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is IJAPARI gang, and on this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So what are you really doing wrong that is making your channel not to grow? Number one is you are not having a clear niche or knowing your target audience, because a confused audience never subscribe. A confused audience doesn't engage. And if you are making your video, are you really making the video for yourself, or you are making that video to solve a problem? And if you are making that video really to solve a problem, you need to know who are your target audience, who are your target customers or your target viewers, what is their pain point. Because if you know your target audience, you'll be know what should be going down in their mind, what is the next things they might be having difficulty in doing, what is the next problem they should be encountering by now. Somebody that's okay, watch this video, what is the next possible video, and all that. So if you have a target audience, you know your niche exactly, you are going to gain traction on your YouTube channel. If a stranger should just come to your channel right now in 15 seconds, could they tell what your channel is all about? And I have made a video detailing to you how you can carve a niche for yourself if you are finding it difficult to know what your video or channel should be all about. The second reason why your channel might not be growing is having a weak title or thumbnail. Because if you did not do the first step very well, you will still get the second step wrongly. So, but if you have already know who are your target audience, who are your target customers or your target viewers, then you will be able to know exactly what are the kind of title that you put. Because it's one thing for you to make a good video, edit it very well, very informative, but if anyone did not if it's not catchy enough for somebody to click on your video to watch, you are not going to be getting views. So how do you go about that? Your title should promise transformation. Look at my title right now. In your title, let it capture the person's problem and what the person is hoping to get at the end of the video. That should be included in your title, while your thumbnail should make them curious. Like because the moment you come to YouTube, you search, because YouTube is a search engine, it's not just a social media. People that come to YouTube, most at times they come to learn something. So they come because they have a problem that needs solution, so they need that transformation. So if they search for something, YouTube is going to suggest so many videos. So if your thumbnail is not making someone curious enough to want to click to know more about what you put as a thumbnail, and your title is not transformational, they might likely not click on your video. And no matter how beautiful the content is, if it's not catchy enough and transformative enough according to information the person first see before they click your video, they might likely not ending up clicking. And that is why the other person with a catchy thumbnail and transformative title will get more views, even though the person's content might not be as detailed as yours. And when you come to title and thumbnail, I myself, I use Canva to create my thumbnail, and I use ChatGPT to do more research on my title, and I use vidIQ. So as I keep making videos, and if I see more people are interested in talking about YouTube, I'm going to be doing more detailed video practically showing you how to use all this that I am mentioned. So the third thing you might be doing wrongly that is making your channel not to be visible enough is poor retention and poor video structure. You don't need to do a very long video to keep people watching. It is very important, because the moment you create your video, YouTube will first of all show for like 5 persons. If that 5 person engage with your video enough, and they will now show it to more 50 or more 100 or more thousands and millions, depending on how people stay long enough on that video. So that is why you see that sometimes you create video and nobody watch it, but if the first person watch it till the end, before you know, that means it's signaling to YouTube algorithm that something beautiful is here, and then your video will be suggested. So when your video is not getting enough retention, your videos will sink down to the bottom. And when you come to poor video structure, when you make your video, as you create your content as a YouTuber or as a content creator, the beginning of your video should be, number one, the problem. If you watch this video and you pay attention from the beginning, I mentioned the problem. Then the next thing you should talk about is promise. You fulfill the promise, because as I mentioned the problem, I started giving you the solution. So if you are creating video, the way you should structure your video should be that you mention the problem, and then you deliver the promise, and then you now show the proof, and then you add call to action like CTA, like maybe you ask them to like, subscribe, or follow my channel, or this and that. So when you are structuring your video, before you press record, make sure that you have structured your video in the way that from the beginning you talk about the problem, then you deliver the promise that you have promised, the transformation that you have promised in the title should be the next, then the proof, and then the call to action. Okay, so if you are having poor retention, your video will be sinking, and you need to have detailed transformational video that will hook them long enough, that will keep them for a reason. Give them reason to watch your video till the end. Another thing again, you can also be engaging them more by asking questions or by telling them what the next content is going to be. That will also keep them watching. The next reason why your channel isn't growing or is not getting enough traction is lack of consistency and burnout. Growth isn't only about going viral, it's about showing up even when it is slow. A lot of beginners, content creators, beginners, YouTubers, they mistake it. Like, you just started now, you want to compare yourself with someone that can create 10 videos a day. Don't do that. You will be burnt out. So what you need to do is check your schedule and be consistent. Even if it means is once you post a day in a week, you are still good to go. So let people know that this is who you are and this is time you post. Even though someone like me now with over 40,000 subscribers, I used to sometimes take a break of 1 month. Sometimes there might be circumstances beyond us that we cannot control, but you try as much as you can to make sure that you schedule your videos and you let your audience know, especially as a beginner. And another thing that can help you to stay consistent is you need to batch film your content. Don't just rely on motivation when you just feel like it. That's when you film. No, you have to discipline yourself so that you can batch film your videos. If you say, okay, I'm filming videos, so they make sure you show up and you film them. Then you now take time to edit. Like as I am here right now talking to you, I have done about 3 videos today. This is the 3rd video I'm filming today. So I don't know when I'm editing it. So it's very important you schedule your content filming, the day you are filming, the day you are editing, and all that. The next reason why you might not be getting traction on your channel is you are not learning SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization. But come, have you liked this video? After all this, Baby, I beg, like this video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe and engage with the content, okay? And if you are a new YouTuber, just comment new YouTuber, because I have something installed for you before the end of this video. So the next reason why your video might not be getting traction or your channel is you are not learning SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization. And if YouTube doesn't know what your video is all about, it won't show it to anyone. So how can YouTube know what your video is all about? By ensuring that before you film the video, you have already do your research, so that you keep repeating the word at least 2-3 times because the moment you post your video, either you put translate or not, one thing you should know is that YouTube will translate it to know the kind of content, what you say in the video and all that, and then your tags, your title, your thumbnail, all this will go into consideration for YouTube to know what your video is all about. So if you do not do your research well, if you don't do your search engine optimization well enough, you don't learn about that, your video will be sinking, your channel will not be getting traction. And when it comes to search engine optimization, it's deep. So I would want to do a detailed video explaining to you and even practically showing you how I optimize my video. If that is what you are interested in, comment interested in YouTube SEO in the comment section. And for the new content creators, for the new YouTubers, I am looking at creating a Telegram channel or Telegram group where we all build as a community, that you can be, if you create your video, you can drop the link there and others will engage with it. But before I even go further, you should first of all know that on that group, if you go posting other link apart from your video link, if you post any scamming thing, I'm going to remove you, I'm going to block you, and I will report you. That's one. And if that continue, that we don't behave ourselves, I will just delete the channel or the group. So I want to let that sound as a warning from the beginning. And if I see up to 20 persons that are interested in the group, you comment interested in the group, so that if I see up to 20 persons, I will create the group, and then I will come and check the description and then add the group link to the description, as well as reply to people that have already commented. So it's very important we take note. If you are watching this video immediately I posted, that means you might not see the group link until I see enough people that are interested in the group before I create, so that we can engage with each other and we grow. Because another thing that can make your videos to be suggested is when YouTube see that people are coming from different places, from other platforms, to come to watch your content. Okay, so it's very important. So I'm going to do video on SEO, and I'm going to create a group to help others. In my next video, I'm going to talk about faith and business, how I build multiple streams of income right from the comfort of my home as a Christian woman. So if you are interested in that video also, let me know in the comment section. And if this video helped you, please like this video, drop a beautiful comment. I have so much to share about YouTube. I have so much to teach. I have so much to dish out. I have so much to, I don't know, like as I just carry pen, I have more than 58 videos that I want to talk about YouTube. So, but it depends on how long you watch my content and how you engage with it, that will make me know that you really want to hear from me, because I have really gathered enough experience to be able to tell you how it's being done, what you should do, what you should go about it. So tell me in the comment section which of these mistakes you are going to work on, which one have you been making, and all that. Until I come your way in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.